you put the people together that we've put together, and you can expect just about anything for the fans who have been to across the years. I'm sure there are many of them. The big event we used to do down at Disney, which was not unlike this. You would get 6 people on the dais and do a Q&A, and it was always well attended, always a lot of fun. And as most of you know, Cameron and I hosted most of those events throughout the years. So you have a couple of people who not only love to do these fan events, but have done a lot of them. Michael Knight has done a lot of them. And as I was saying before, every one of the people who are involved in a tribute to Pine Valley are very clear in their minds how important the fans are. They're very clear in their minds how much you mean to us, how much we mean to you. We're going to give them the show of their life.